All right, hello everybody. My name is Andrew Hernandez. I am a California licensed architect, and today in AutoCAD I am having an issue with doing a save as, and I'm doing this on a drawing that I've been using for a long time and for months. For whatever reason, Autodesk, it seems like when they have updates, it just changes settings, or when I bring objects in, it just changes settings. I have no idea what's going on with that. So I am trying to do a save as, and let me switch scenes here. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. And I will show you how to fix it. Okay, so we're gonna go here, save as. And if you look down here, save as file format, it brings up R14, 2000, 204, 2007, and it just brings up a bunch of options in the command box below. And I get through all the options and it never really gets me to try and save as like in the typical Windows Explorer to do a save as just like you do in any other program. It's infuriating. So I did some Googling and I typed in, I can't save as in AutoCAD. Boom, popped up. And for whatever reason, the solution comes through LinkedIn.com. I don't know. You run into a million AutoCAD problems throughout your drafting career, and you still find new ones all the time. So here's the command, FILEDIA, and we're going to switch the setting from 0 to 1. So we're going to go FILEDIA, enter, 1, enter, and now the save as dialog box will pop back up and everything operates like normal. I don't know why this happens. Another setting from another Autodesk product that just changes for no reason at all. I don't get it. Anyways, all right, so that's the video. I'm gonna chop this up, and in the future throughout my drafting day, as I run into problems like this, I'm going to just turn on the recorder, figure out the problem, and post the video. I'm getting really sick and tired of how difficult it is for some of these simple settings to be resolved. And I go through the forums, I go to the Autodesk forums, and there's every topic being discussed except the thing that we're looking for or the question being asked. So I'm just gonna start putting up quick videos on how to fix these really dumb Autodesk settings that just seem to change randomly. I don't understand why it's happening, but that's the video, how to reactivate your save as dialog box. So if you want more videos like this, go to the like, hit subscribe. Also check out the links in the description below. I have a book for sale, How to Become an Architect Without a Degree, on Amazon. And I also have an Etsy store where we sell stock plans, digital products for other architects and engineers. Check out the links in the description below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.